So we are done with part 1, part 2, and now it's time for part 3. In this, we will be discussing about what is FIR and what is a fair trial. So we saw what the role of police is. The role of police is to investigate, record statements of witness, infer from the data, jail the person, file a charge sheet, and a FIR. Then we saw Article 22, Article 21. We saw some questions. We saw DK Basu guidelines. There are some requirements and procedures that the police and other agencies have to follow for the arrest of any person. Then we saw the role of judge. We compared the judge to the umpire in a game. Then we saw the role of judge. We saw prosecutor represents the interests of state. The full material of evidence is given to the court and the judge takes care and makes the decision. And we saw 5 questions we saw. Then now the part 3. This is part 3. In this we are going to see what FIR is. So basically FIR stands for First Information Report. Investigations are done only after the FIR is filed. So first the FIR is filed, then the police starts investigating. Law states that FIR is compulsory whenever a person gives info about offense, whenever a person gives information about offense. So the law states that it is very compulsory to file an FIR whenever a person gives information about offense. FIR can be given orally or it can be given in a written form. Can be given orally or in a written form or in writing. It can be given orally or in writing. It mentions the date, time and place of offense. So when you're writing the FIR, you will mention the date when the FIR is written, the time, the place of offense, where the crime took place, and other basic details like name and address of the complainant, name and address of the complainant, the sign of the complainant. And there is one special form in which you have to fill the FIR. The police will give the special form in which you have to fill the FIR. If the identity of accused persons is known, they can also be mentioned. So you know so and so person has stole something, or so and so person has did this thing and has ran away. Okay, so if you have the identity, you can show to the police and it will be easy for them to catch hold of the thief. Yeah, as I told, it has the name, address and sign of the complainant. The complainant has a legal right to get a free copy of the FIR from the police station. So the person who is complaining has the legal right to get a free copy of the FIR. Yes, so what is first information report? First thing, investigations are done only after the FIR is filed. The law states that it is very compulsory. It is compulsory to file a FIR whenever a person says that an offense has been committed. Whenever there is an offense, FIR can be given orally or in a written form. FIR contains basic details like the date, time, place of offense, the name and address of the complainant, and if the person knows who is the accused person, then the details, the photos can be submitted to the police. The complainant has a legal right to get a free copy of the FIR, so they can get the copy free. Next is fair trial. Fair trial. What is fair trial? The features of fair trial. How a fair trial is conducted. How a fair trial is held. How the fair trial is held. So it is held in an open court. Wait a minute. Yeah, it is held in an open court. It is held in an open court. It is held in the presence of the accused. It is held in the presence of the accused. Has a defending lawyer. The prosecutor can cross-examine all the witnesses. The judge remains impartial in this. The fair trial ensures that Article 21 is upheld. So, in a fair trial, fair trial is held in an open court. It is held in presence of the accused. It has a defending lawyer. The prosecutor cross-examines. The prosecutor cross-examines all the witnesses. The judge remains impartial. And one more extra point is that it ensures Article 21 is being upheld. So to revise what we learned in part 3, we learned about the first information report. Investigations start only after the FIR is filed. Law states that FIR is compulsory whenever a person gives information about the offense. It can be given either orally or in a written form. FIR contains basic details like date, time, the place of offense, the name of the complainant, address and sign of the name, place and address of the complainant. If identity is known, they can also be mentioned. States the name, address and sign of the complainant. The complainant has a legal right to get a free copy of the FIR. FIR is first information report. How the fair trial is held? The fair trial is held in an open court. It has a defense lawyer. A prosecutor has all rights to. The prosecutor cross-examines all the witnesses. The judge remains impartial. It's in an open court. It ensures that Article 21 is being upheld. A fair trial is also a fundamental human right of every accused person. It means that trials must be conducted by an impartial judge in an impartial environment where all parties are treated equally until proven guilty. A fair trial ensures Article 21 of the Constitution is upheld, as I told you. So, we have a questions as we usually have. The first question is, what is an FIR? What is an FIR? I'll give you the answer. FIR is first information report, and you should elaborate it. You should elaborate it. What does Article 22 ensure? Remember it? We learned in the beginning, part 1. Who is a defending lawyer? Think and answer. The 4 key players in criminal justice are dash, dash and dash. The 4 key players in criminal justice are the judge, the defending lawyer, I'm writing DL for short, defending lawyer, police and public prosecutor. Yes, judge, defending lawyer, police and public prosecutor. That's it for this whole lesson. Thank you.